How to make a ponytail using Afro baby hair extension, or rather how to use a hair extension. This is a very interesting video of which I'm shooting this on November 28th, and I need this video to be up tonight. I don't know how it's gonna happen, but guys, we're going to do this because it's already 6:20 p.m. I'm just going to make this juicy hairstyle, and guess what? I'm not going anywhere, so we're just going to learn and then we do away with it and we sleep. It is a Thursday. This is a most lucky day. Please watch till the very end. Thank you so much for the support, for the returning subscribers, for the new subscribers. Welcome to the family. This is the other side of a modest. My beautiful name is Jacinta. Be my guest. Guys, I'm so much excited to be doing this hairstyle. Although I don't like extensions, in as much as I'm teaching you today how to use these extensions, I want to discourage you in using extension. Just do it just in case you are in a hurry or you don't have any other option. But before that, can you have a look at the amazing hairstyles I've been making lately? This is episode 4 or 5. 4. Watch these previous videos. My hair type is 4C, the porosity is low porosity, and my hair is virgin, just to begin with that so that you can understand. So I'm going to do this. We're going to do 2 hairstyles. So with this one, I just sprayed my hair with water. I've not moisturized today because I did a hairstyle the other day. You don't have to moisturize your hair daily if you feel like there is enough moisture in it. Like you've seen, my hair is still shining, so I'm not going to add any other product just to discourage protein or product overload, because if I overload products on my hair right now, it's going to encourage breakage. So guys, put that into consideration. Using a scratch, I'm pushing back my hair, and remember, we're going to do this style minus a gel or any other thing. We're just going to use water typically. I'm foresee low porosity and my hair tends to absorb moisture for longer. That is why if you're high porosity, sis, please, I'm encouraging you to use a hair styling gel. On this case, I'm encouraging you eco styling gel. The little oil that you seen me using, I'm going just to oil a little bit of my extension just to make it pop up. When I finish pushing my hair back, I had to tie my hair into a headscarf, as you can see, just to make it sleek and pop in texture. That is a bobby pin. I'm going to undo it. This is after 2 minutes because we are in a hurry. We're going to do 2 hairstyles. This is how my hair looks like, and because my hair is long, it looks like that. If your hair is short, it's definitely going to be different, but make sure that you tuck in the end of your hair so that this extension can be easy to fix. I just insert it in like that. It depends with the extension. The next video I'm going to use Malay braid, so keep locked. Please consider subscribing, like, comment, share so that we can get to more people, guys. And thank you so much for the new subscribers. Welcome. Thank you so much for supporting my content, guys. I'm so much excited. Thank you for 1900 subscribers. We are coming to 2000. We can do this before January. Please give me that one as a birthday gift. Please, before the year begins, please let me celebrate my birthday having hit 2000 subscribers. So guys, like you've seen, it's just that simple. You just insert it inside, and then you take a bobby pin, you tuck it in. And here I'm just trying to accessorize with bridal pins. It is just an amazing, easy hairstyle. You can do it at your comfort of your home. If you don't know how to style your hair, please practice. Start just a little bit and then you'll have to perfect. Remember, natural hair is beautiful on itself. You don't just not need to be perfect. Whatever you can do, just be confident, and the rest is going to be amazing. So guys, I think this style is now ending up here, and this is the outcome. What can you say about this style? Style number one. What can you say about this style? Imagine I'm looking like this and I'm not going anywhere. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh. For those who are asking me what I put inside my hair or anything, basically I avoid heat. If you want to know more about my hair care tips, please watch my playlist. Let us go to style number two. And this style is best for round hair, although I don't like it. I don't know why, but let us do it. Basically, I undid this style and I'm spraying it in with pure water and picking my scratch. It is optional. You can use this scratch or you can use a brush. I prefer this one because a brush makes my hair loose. Like I lose my hair so much when I remember I'm not using any gel. So if your hair is well moisturized and it is well detangled and it is just important, but with this step, please, it depends with your hair type. If your hair is little or it is fewer, let me say the strands are fewer, don't spray too much water just because we need some volume. Aki, we need that small volume, and then with this one, I actually hate to make it stay for like 5 minutes. I'm going to put on this scarf and then we're going to start cooking dinner and then we are going to be back, guys. So let me sing a little bit. There is nothing you cannot do. Nothing too hard for you. There is nothing you cannot do, Jesus. So guys, I'm back and you can see the difference from the previous style. This one is a bit much slickier and so much textured. So I just again insert in my extension and then I tack with the bobby pin. It is just very simple. And then with this step, I'm just wanting to make my extension add volume, and then I accessorized first with these bridal pins. It is optional, it depends with you. Just because today I've got those moods, I'm going to do this. And I'm going to do a step that I don't do. I'm going to introduce to you the gels that I normally use sometimes, and we're going to do this together. So guys, I think at the back I'll have to scratch a little bit just to make it intact, and that is it, guys. This is Eco Styling Gel Olive Oil, and that is Venus Curl Activator. I love Venus because of the smell, guys. The smell. So people ask me how I do the fake earbuds, and this is how we do it. I almost unwrapped my hair, guys, because I was trying to, but oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So I just take a little bit of my hair, and then the first step I need to do, if you're using a gel or anything, please start with water. That is a spray bottle with water. I hate to use a little bit of water in the lid. Then I apply rolling my hair. You see my hair can just roll without any product. You see here there is no product, but at the end of it all we're going to use the product and you're going to see the difference, guys. So follow me on Facebook and Instagram. It is Jacinta. Check the description box. If you're a Christian lady, I'm welcoming you to join Ladies of Modesty. Our mission is to inspire ladies to fulfill our God-given callings in ministry. If you're watching this and you don't know your purpose, please find your purpose and chase it like nobody's business, because tomorrow is not promised. So guys, this is the final product. After I've used the Venus gel, today we just use the Venus gel at these side buds. but the other part it is strictly water.